Hindi ya mahoya maria matabanagio oro mwaka kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua maria marehaga hamwe atongoria othe a kaunti ino o undu umwe na aikari mari na itanya ria gwicurania haria maumite na haria marorete na gucokeria Ngai ngatho. Speaker wa bunge no Wachira Waiganjo, Governor KIARIE BADILISHA hamwe na Senator John Medho magitongoria igongona riri na kuraha maciaro ma urumwe.
This year, as we gather on the 5th of December 2025, we are guided by the powerful and timely theme that is leading with integrity, service and purpose.
Atongoria ya makioya mweke ucio gutariria muingi tabarira ngurani na uria mahotete kugitira utonga wa kaunti ino.
As a people of Nyandarua, we cannot say that the year might have been difficult, but we would thank God. One, our rains didn't fail, so we have plenty in our farms. But more importantly, for the first time since the advent of devolution, and I'm sure Governor BADILISHA, this is something that we shall keep telling our people, because this is extremely profound, that in the fourth sharing formula of national revenue, Nyandarua County qualified to the affirmative counties that will get 375 million for the next 5 years, 375 every year. That is extremely profound. We would want to push as much resources.
Avocado tumeanza kupanda hapa, na tukiwa na senator na hao viongozi, we will ensure that no going back. This time we have about 12.5 million za promote crop production. We want to see coffee already. Kama sio hii mambo imeingia siasa hii ya juzi tulikuwa tumepanga na Minister of Cooperatives, Mheshimiwa His Excellency Oparanya alikuwa aje hapa tuende kule Upodo na tuweze kulaunch mambo ya coffee in Nyandarua.
Julius Kipngetich uria uma mugeni wa gitio wa kihinyiriria atongoria kaunti ino guthagania mitaratara ya kugitira utonga wa kaunti ino.
Abadeas is very rich, okay? Extremely rich, and is a shared resource. Not only is it a water tower, but is also a major tourism tower. The wildlife inside here is incredible. Okay? All the big five are all here. And so therefore, you can have incredible tourism, and agri-tourism is also. So the combination of agriculture and tourism will also be great.
Ngwataniro ya atongoria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ithiete na mbere na kurehe umithio kuri aikari a kaunti ino. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma guku Ol Kalou kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, nie njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.